Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Abhi Views. Today I am telling you how you can create a random ball game. To create a random ball game, first you have to do the design. So friends, I have already done the design. So the screen background color is black. After that I have added a button. The idea of this button is B play and the text is play. After that I have add a label. The idea of this label is L score and the text is the score. After that again I have add a label. The idea of this label is L score 2 and the text box is blank. After that friends, I have add these three buttons. The blue button id is blue, the red button id is red, and the green button id is green. So the question is how to create those three types of round button. To create the round button, the width 40, height 40, and the border radius should be 20. After that you have to click on code and you have to drag on event b play on event id block and change id as b play. After that friends, you have to click on variable score is equal to 0. Friends, after that you have to click on control. In control you have to drag time loop 1000. After that friends, you have to click on UI controls. After that friends, you have to drag three set position block inside the time loop. Change this set position id as green. Click on maths, random number block 0, change 1 as 100 and 10 as 300. Take random number block in this 0 also 120, change this 10 as 370 and this 2 as 40 and this also 40. So you have to follow this same in other two also for red and blue. So friends, after that you have to click on UI controls. You have to pick on event block. Change this as blue. On event blue click. After that friends, you have to click on variables and take this block and change the X as score. After that friends, you have to click on maths and you have to take add operator block, type score plus 1. After that friends, you have to click on UI control. In UI control you have to take set number block, set number L score 2. In the place of 0 you have to write score. And friends, you have to follow this same for other two button also. And friends, now your game is ready. You have to click on run. After that you have to click on play and your button start appearing in different places. And when you click on any button, I am not able, the buttons are moving very fast. If you click on any button, your score will be shown here. So friends, how do you like this video? If you like this video, please like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe our YouTube channel Abhiview. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.